Are you looking for a SaaS website for your team collaboration or any kind of project management? Or an agency website to showcase your products and services or connect with potential clients? Introducing CollabFlow TNC, the best Webflow SaaS template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of CollabFlow TNC. Now, let's see how to use CollabFlow TNC. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow SaaS template, get CollabFlow TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.